taking a look at the Jesse James Gang General 440 set. Now this is from the 1940s, and we're going to be taking a look at the locomotive and the whole set this time, not just my locomotive. So let's just get our positioning and we'll start the train. So here we have the locomotive. Now the locomotive is a 440 American, and it has ATSF on it, and it's 855 on there, smokestack and the lantern in the front. Nice locomotive, and we'll bring the tender around. Tender says ATSF on it, and it has a wood load. Nothing behind here, just the motor box is over there. So anyway, let's give it a little run around, and we'll start on the cattle car. In this cattle car, we don't have cattle. We have two gunmen that come out. It's kind of hard to see, but they're supposed to be members of the James Gang. So there's two of them in here, a white one and a black one. You can kind of see the white guy coming out there, but they move around as the track goes. Alrighty, it's a green ATSF. And it says Santa Fe on it over here. And it has 9305 on it. So let's give it a run, and we'll come on down to the flat car, I'm guessing. This is the ATSF flat car 9308. So it has these little pieces in the middle that come out. And it has some telephone poles, but I didn't bring them out today. Also, sorry if my layout looks a little messy. I'm just working on the final touches to make it good. We'll give it another loop around the track, and we'll come on back to the passenger car type thing. This is ATSF passenger car 9541, and it says Railway Express. It is an old style passenger car. I do like the colors on it. It's very nice. I do really like this, and it would be cool to see a whole train of these. But we'll give it one last loop around so you can see it, and we'll park it by the engine. But anyway, guys, it's pretty much going to wrap it up. I hope you guys do like these new style videos. I am really trying on them, so thank you guys for watching, and have a nice day. Also, be sure to go on over and follow my Instagram at SamCohen314. I post early pictures of my trains and train-related stuff.